Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's been making waves for its incredible moisturizing properties and delightful scent. Get ready to indulge in the Suave Skin Solutions Body Lotion, Advanced Therapy. If you're on the hunt for the best-smelling body lotion out there, look no further. Suave Skin Solutions Body Lotion, Advanced Therapy, not only hydrates your skin but also leaves behind a subtle, refreshing fragrance that lasts all day. But it's not just about the scent. This lotion is packed with goodness to rescue your skin from dryness. Enriched with vitamin E and other hydrating ingredients, it provides 24-hour moisturization, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth. With over 789 ratings and an average of 4.7 stars, it's no wonder why this lotion is a favorite among customers. And with a pack of 6 bottles, you'll have more than enough to keep your skin happy and hydrated for months to come. So there you have it, folks. If you want soft, smooth, and beautifully scented skin, Suave Skin Solutions Body Lotion, Advanced Therapy, is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, stay moisturized.